What if I told you that you could generate thousands of high-quality leads in any niche, completely free, while you sleep? And I'm not talking about buying expensive tools or hiring a team. In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact 4-step system that businesses are using in 2026 to automate their entire lead generation process using AI. And the best part? It costs absolutely nothing to get started. I've personally used this to find over 500 qualified leads last month, and by the end of this video, you'll have your own AI-powered lead machine running on autopilot. Look, traditional lead generation is broken. You're either spending thousands on tools like ZoomInfo and Apollo, or you sit there on your computer manually scraping LinkedIn for hours and still get nowhere. And even when you finally find leads, the work isn't done. You have to organize them, check emails, write messages that don't sound spammy. It's draining. Most businesses waste 70% of their week on this admin work instead of actually selling. But here's the thing. In 2026, AI has changed the game. Stuff that used to take a whole sales team can now be done by one person, if the workflow is set up right. Now, this may sound too good to be true, but I've spent the last 3 months testing every free AI tool and automation platform out there. I've generated over 500 leads across 3 different niches without spending a single dollar on data. And this is actually not new at all. We're still using the same tool, but asking better questions. Today, I'll show you the exact system I've used, step by step, so you can try it for yourself starting today. This isn't theory. This is what's working right now. Okay, step 1, free lead discovery. We're going to use Google's advanced search operators to find leads that are literally begging to be contacted. Think of it like this. People post their emails because they want help. They want collaboration. You're not trying to convince them anymore. You're responding. Here's the magic formula. Go to Google and type exactly this, site:instagram.com, your niche, at gmail.com. Let's say I want to find fitness coaches. I'll type site.instagram.com, fitness coaches, gmail.com. Look at that. Google is now showing me every Instagram profile in the fitness niche that publicly lists an email address. These are people who want to be contacted for business. You can do this for any niche. Real estate agents, consultants, e-commerce stores. Just change the search term. Want to get more results? You can also use site:linkedin.com or site:facebook.com to triple your results. Also, don't stick to just one job title. Instead of fitness coaches, search for personal trainers, wellness coaches, and health consultants. Different people use different titles, and you'll 3 times your lead count this way. Also, try using location modifiers to find local leads. Add your city or country after the niche. Site:instagram.com. Fitness coaches, Los Angeles at gmail.com. Perfect if you're targeting a specific geographic area. One more thing, use quotation marks strategically. Putting quotes around phrases like currently accepting clients or open for business helps you find people actively looking for work. This filters out inactive profiles. In about 5 minutes, I typically find 50 to 100 solid leads this way. That's better than most paid tools, and it cost me nothing. Quick tip, don't copy more than 20 to 30 at a time. We're going to process these in batches to stay organized. Step 2, let AI organize this messy data for you. Now, if you're looking at these Google results, you'll see it's all over the place. Names, handles, emails mixed in with random text. So here's what we do. Copy about 20 profiles at once. Just select the text with your mouse and copy it. It'll look like a mess, and that's okay. Now open ChatGPT. You can use the free version at chat.openai.com. No subscription needed for this task. Paste your copied data here, and then give it this exact prompt. Format this data into a clean table with these columns: full name, company or niche, email address, and Instagram handle. Hit enter and watch the magic. In about 10 seconds, ChatGPT organizes everything into a perfect spreadsheet format. Look at that. Clean names, organized emails, ready to go. Now copy this formatted data, open Google Sheets, and paste it in. Boom, you've got your first lead list, and you didn't pay a cent for any fancy tool. Add a notes column in your sheet right away. Before you reach out, spend 30 seconds checking their profile and note something specific, like just launched new program or recently posted about client wins. This makes your outreach 10 times more personal. We will also want to add a send email column. This will give n8n a way to filter out old, new, or invalid entries. Repeat this process a few times, and you'll have hundreds of leads in under an hour. This is what used to take sales teams entire weeks. Imagine the time you can save following this workflow. You can take more coffee breaks in your backyard. All right, step 3. Let's automate this entire process so it runs on autopilot. We're using n8n. It's like Zapier, but better and completely free to self-host. If you haven't installed n8n yet, I have a complete tutorial on that. Link should pop up right about now. But for now, let's assume you have n8n running. First, let's set up your Google Sheet properly. Rename your sheet to Lead Spreadsheet and make sure you have these columns: full name, company, email, Instagram handle, notes. And here's the important thing. Add a column called Send Email. This is your control switch. Set up the Send Email column as a dropdown with 3 options: yes, no, and skip. Now let's build the workflow. We're building a 5-node automation that will take your Google Sheet of leads and automatically send personalized outreach emails. Start by adding a schedule trigger node. This tells n8n to check your spreadsheet at regular intervals, like a robot checking for new tasks. Set it to run every hour. Setting it hourly gives you time to research leads, add them to your sheet, mark them as yes, and the automation picks them up within 60 minutes. It's automated, but not so fast that you lose control. As you get comfortable, you can increase the frequency, but never go below every 30 minutes to avoid unnecessary load on Google servers and risk triggering rate limits. Next, add a Google Sheets node and set the operation to Get All Rows. This means every time you paste a new lead into your sheet, n8n will automatically process it. Add a second column to your spreadsheet called Email Sent. Leave it blank initially. Later in the workflow, we'll automatically update this to yes after sending, so you never accidentally email the same person twice. Connect your Google account, select your lead spreadsheet, and here's where it gets smart. We're going to filter for only rows where send email equals yes, so you maintain control of the whole process. You can keep adding hundreds of leads in your sheet, but only the ones you've approved will get contacted. Now here's where the magic happens. Add an OpenAI node and connect it to ChatGPT's API. If you don't have API access, you can use the HTTP request node to call other free AI APIs, but ChatGPT gives the best results. In the OpenAI node, use this prompt template. Write a personalized cold email to full name, who works in company or niche. Reference this note about them. Keep it under 100 words, casual and friendly, and include a clear call to action to book a 15-minute call. The AI pulls the person's name, their niche, and your research notes to craft an email that sounds like you spent 10 minutes writing it personally. This is the secret to getting 7 times higher response rates. Here's the deliverability guardian. Add a wait node and set it to 60 minutes. Why is this critical? If your workflow finds 20 leads marked yes and sends all 20 emails instantly, Gmail sees that as spam behavior. You'll be blacklisted within hours. You're mimicking human behavior. Real salespeople don't send 20 identical emails in 30 seconds. They send them throughout the day. Even better, randomize your wait times between 45 to 75 minutes. This adds another layer of human-like behavior. Most email automation tools use exact intervals, which is a red flag for spam filters. Random delays look organic. Pro tip: never send more than 30 emails per day from one Gmail account. If you need more volume, you'll need to use multiple accounts. This method is called horizontal scaling. Finally, add a Gmail or Outlook node. Set the action to Send Email. Map your variables from the Google Sheet. The To field gets the email address column. Subject line can be simple. Quick question, first name. Body gets your AI-generated message from Node 3. Keep your message under 3 sentences, something like, "Hi Bob, I saw your profile and loved your approach on fitness training. Are you currently taking on new clients?" Short, personal, and asking a question that gets responses. After the email sends successfully, add one more node, another Google Sheets node set to Update Row. Find the row we just processed and update the Email Sent column to Yes, and optionally clear out the Send Email column back to blank. This creates a perfect tracking system. You can see at a glance. leads waiting to be contacted, leads currently in the queue, marked yes, and leads already contacted, marked email sent. If you're inclined to it, you can add a Slack or Discord webhook as Node 6. Get a notification every time an email goes out with the person's name and company. This way, if someone replies quickly, you know exactly who they are and can respond with context. But to keep this workflow simple and short, we can save this for another video. Now activate your workflow, and here's how it works in practice. Every morning, you spend 30 minutes finding leads using step 1. You organize them with ChatGPT in step 2, paste them into your lead spreadsheet, spend 2 minutes adding personalized notes, then select yes from the drop-down for 10 to 15 leads you want to contact. This is what a systematic revenue engine looks like. Throughout the day, your n8n workflow wakes up every hour, checks for approved leads, generates personalized emails using ChatGPT, waits to send them naturally, and updates your tracking. You're completely hands-off, but still in full control. Now, before you go wild with this, we need to talk about protecting your email domain. This is where most beginners mess up. If you send too many emails too fast, or if your emails bounce too often, Gmail will blacklist your domain. And once you're blacklisted, none of your emails, even legitimate ones, will reach anyone's inbox. To prevent this, you need 3 things set up: SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. These are basically authentication records that tell email providers, hey, this email is legit. Google now strictly requires SPF, DKIM, and DMARC for anyone sending to more than 5,000 Gmail addresses per day. I'm not going to bore you with the technical details here. Any AI can provide you with the step-by-step walkthrough to set this up. And if you want to scale to thousands of emails per day, you'll need to use horizontal scaling, basically rotating your outreach across multiple email accounts so no single account looks suspicious. Think of it like this. Instead of one person shouting at 1,000 people, you have 100 people each talking to 10 people. Way more natural, way safer. If you're sending emails from your domain, use a secondary domain for cold outreach. Instead of using yourcompany.com, buy a similar domain like yourcompany.co for cold outreach. If it gets blacklisted, your main domain stays safe. So what kind of results can you expect? Using this exact system, businesses are seeing 4 to 10 times higher conversion rates compared to traditional cold outreach, and the cost savings are insane. This AI system, maybe $20 per month if you upgrade to premium AI tools. That's a 70 to 80% cost reduction. More importantly, your calendar stays full of qualified meetings while you focus on the high-value work, building relationships, and closing deals. And remember, this runs 24/7. While you're sleeping, working, or on vacation, your AI lead machine is finding prospects, sending messages, and booking meetings. All right, let's recap what we covered today. Step 1, use Google's advanced search operators to find free leads in any niche. The formula is siteplatform.com, your niche at gmail.com. Step 2, use ChatGPT to organize your messy data into a clean spreadsheet format, completely free with the basic version. Pro tip, always grab the social handle and add a notes column for personalization research. Step 3, automate everything with n8n using a 5-node workflow. Schedule trigger checks hourly, get rows pulls leads with send email, set to yes, ChatGPT personalization creates unique messages using your notes, and Gmail sends while updating your tracking columns. And step 4, protect your domain with proper authentication and never send more than 30 emails per day from one account. The beauty of this system? You stay in complete control. Select yes in the drop-down for leads only when you're ready. Start with 5 per day, scale to 30 as you refine your process. You now have the blueprint for a free AI lead generation system that runs on autopilot. If this saved you from wasting money on expensive tools, smash that like button. It really helps the algorithm. And if you want more AI automation tutorials, subscribe because I've got a whole series coming up. Now go build your lead machine, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy automating!